today's video we are going to see the program of Fibonacci series in C language. So what we are writing first is including the header file, that is stdio.h. Now what is Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series is the series. Now first we are writing 0, 1. Now the series continues in the manner 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. The sum of previous two digits we are writing. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. Like the series continues. Now the program is void main, not int main. Why we are not writing int main? Because we have to write return 0 here. So that I not prefer, but you can write also. But if you are writing int main, then you have to write return here. And now we are defining the data types of variables like int a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. That we will see later why we are written this. And we are writing variable n, and we are taking from user that how much number of terms we wanted to print in the Fibonacci series. So that is n, that we are using the scanf to take the user input from the user, and that is c, that also we will see later. Now we are writing the loop, for loop. So we are starting from 0 till n. If I is less than or equal to 1, c is equal to I. C is equal to I means I will be 0 and 1. So c is first 0 and then 1. Else c is equal to a plus b. Or now we are using the swapping. A is equal to b, b is equal to c. We are swapping the values of b to a and c to b. Now the value of c is 1 because a is 0, b is 1, c is equal to 1. Now the value of b is 1, that we are assigning to a is equal to 1. Now the value of c is 1, we are assigning to b is equal to 1. Now the loop continues. Now c is equal to 1. Now the value of c is becoming that a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c is equal to 2. And the value of a is now 1 again. And the value of b is equal to c. C is 2. Now again the loop continues. Now the value of c is a plus b, that is 1 plus 2, that is equal to c. Now again the value of a is equal to b, b is 2 here, that is 2. Now the value of b is c, c is 3. The value of c is 3. Now the value of c, now again loop continues. C is equal to a plus b. Now a is equal to 2 and the value of b is 3. Now that is 2 plus 3 is 5. Now same, the series is becoming more and more and more and more, like infinite. Now we have to print it till 8 because we are taking the user like 8. We will taking from the user 1, 2, 3 and 0 and 1 we are printing in the beginning also, that if condition we are using 0 and 1. Now we are printing the c. Now we are going to see the output. We are returning it. We are taking like 8, we take 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. I hope you like the video, enjoy the video, and you will like the video if you enjoy it, and hit the subscribe button if you enjoy it. Thank you. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you.